Yes, so first I will tell you about Java version, right? So Java version I'm
Yes,
using
yes.
um, 8 right now, 1.8.
Java 8. Okay. So let's start our discussion with Java 8 features. Please
Mm-hmm.
explain me Java 8 features in detail. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And we will discuss that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, please continue.
Yeah, in Java 8, we have so many things in this
Mhm.
Java 8 version is upgraded and new features are included just as a lambda expression, functional interface, optional classes, method reference, and stream API, and as well as we can say a util package, date and time, that part are also added new features in this Java 8.
Okay. So what were changes in case of interfaces?
Interfaces, because of if we using functional interface means if you mark as a functional, add the right functional interface. So here what we'll do that we can define or declare only one abstract method and multiple um static and default methods. So that features are
Okay.
there in this Java 8. So what is the objective of static and default? Because previously we are using as a util package. So here we need to define some common function we need to call in multi places of in our project. So that
Mhm.
things we can manage through the functional interface as well as.
Okay. So here question is uh, what is the difference between interface and functional interface? Functional interface, non-functional interface.
Non-functional interface means if you remove at the right functional interface, so that would be as a normal interface. So this is the main thing.
Mhm.
Means normal interface have abstract method, multiple abstract method we can define, and static
Mhm.
variables we can define, right? Uh,
Mhm.
and functional interface we can define only one abstract method if we
Okay.
mark as a
Okay.
functional interface. So this is the difference. If you remove that would be
Okay.
a
Okay.
normal interface.
Okay. So what were changes in case of hash map internal functionality in Java 8?
In hash hash
Hash map. Hash map. In case of hash map, what were changes in Java 8?
so hash map because of internal implementation is a similar kind of thing as a collision base and indexing and bucket mechanism because of it is used to linked
Mm,
list, right? So here that scenario is working fine, but if we want to extract that map, so here we can use for each key and value. So through the for
mm,
each we can like that extraction of the map would be easy comparison to the old things. But because of the map have a 16 by default size is having, but it would be work based on the node list, linked list,
mhm.
node. So linked list have multiple nodes. So nodes means we can define object and hash code and next. So next what we'll do that if collision will comes, collision means if we have same index which is previously we have added in the map, so same index will occur. So here will occur as a collision. So collision means you can add into the same index but it would be an next node, because of linked list manage the multiple nodes, so we can add it. So this is have a normal behavior, but implementation have a just in through Java it have difference. And one thing, you if you asking about the concurrent hash map, so concurrent hash map is a, it is a not a part of util package, but it is a part of concurrency package, but it is work as a similar and based on the
Mm.
segment mechanism. It will
Okay,
not take
can
as
you
a whole.
explain me the okay. Can you explain me how they work? Concurrent hash map.
Yeah, concurrent hash map will work if suppose you want to use in multi-threading programs. Okay. So in multi-threading program, something you want to add, and then you want to perform the map object by using some iteration. So in that cases, map would be give as a concurrent modification, will, because of it will not allow, because of it will take the
Mm-hmm.
whole log. Once object will not release, so in that cases we cannot get perform the task. But concurrent hash map, it will work in a segment manner. Segment manner means if one object is performing in the multi-threading, so other we can access parallelly. So this is the advantage of that concurrent hash map.
Okay, this okay. So when is locking mechanism is applied while reading or while writing, and how it is? Can you explain me so that I
Lock
can
is a
understand? Okay.
reading in hash map, concurrent hash map, we can perform reading, writing operation, both things we can do that.
Okay.
Reading operation, writing, update and insert, these kind of things, updation, so it is 100% sure because it will give the concurrent modification if we are using
Oh,
hash map.
will it give? Okay, okay. So there is a map, hash map. There is a
Hmm.
synchronized map.
Hmm.
Okay, and there is a concurrent hash map.
Hmm.
So could you let me know what is the differences between them?
Yeah, synchronized map you can say is a hash table. Suppose if you have map, you want to collections dot synchronized map, so it will be as a
Mm.
hash table. It will work as a hash table. Okay, so if you want to use this hash table in the multi-threading program, so it will take the whole log. That would be uh, uh, that would be a disadvantage. So means performance wise is not good, but concurrent map will not take a whole log. It will take as a segment based log. Mean a particular portion of the
Mm-hmm.
what portion they are performing, that would be take as a log. Other thing is other part we can parallelly do that. So this is the advantage. But
Okay.
in map in hash table it cannot be performed because of once the log will release, then we can perform the other things.
Okay. So you says hash table and hash map.
Hmm.
How they differentiate with each other?
Simple because of hash table not take it as a null value, null key,
Mm.
and hash table hash no hash table take as a null not take as a null key, but hash map take as a at least
Okay.
one null key. So this is the
Okay.
only difference, but
Mm.
mechanism is same because of hash map and hash
So,
table
mm,
both are the working on the hashing mechanism and collision mechanism, index base. So the functionality wise is same, but it is a synchronized and hash map is a not synchronized.
okay. So, hash table is kind of deprecated. Okay.
Hmm.
So, do you think what was the reason that it is deprecated, or and if it's deprecated, then who is filling the gap?
So
Like we don't need this kind of.
deprecated means if you asking about the old version, right? Asking
Mm.
about the old version. So old version means deprecated means if we are using without generic. Generic means if you are using Java below 1.5, because of in 1.5 a generic mechanism is came, means you can define it. So that would be fulfill is hash table is you can say is a legacy thing. So we can use a concurrent hash map. This would be best
Okay.
choice of that.
Okay, so there is a set interface
Hmm.
and there is a classes like
Hmm.
has set, linked has set, tree set. Okay,
Hmm.
so I want to know on which base I should use which one of them. What is the using criteria?
Yes, yes. Suppose uh, you asking about the linked hash map, right?
Yes, yes.
So linked hash map, when will use? Suppose we want to perform some CRUD operation. Means CRUD is a complete functionality, but you
Mm-hmm.
exclude the read functionality. Means update, delete, and insert operation we want to perform through the hash map. So that would be great things about the linked hash map. So because of it will perform better than the hash map. No, sorry, hash set and tree set. Tree set is a different thing. Because of tree set we want to perform any task in sorting manner, means
Okay,
sorted order.
actually, okay, go ahead. Actually, I want to know the ordering in uh, the differences of them in ordering. Okay, how they maintain the order.
Ordering cases we can use tree set.
No, no, no. I want to know what are the difference between three,
Hmm.
so that where in which condition I should use which one. Has set, linked has set, and
Hmm.
tree set. In which condition I should use
Yeah,
which
which
one.
condition?
That I want to know.
Condition, just to know, suppose we want to read operation. Okay, read operation we want to perform. So we can
Mm-hmm.
use normal hash set, and we want to perform as a sorted manner data. Suppose we want to sorting data,
Mm-hmm.
particular data in alphanumeric or so in that cases we can use tree set. And if we want to use for anything related to any data we want to insert, update or delete, means these three operations we perform, so
Mm-hmm.
we can use the linked hash map. Because of it will give the fast uh, faster than hash set and tree set.
Okay, okay. So, what is Java util streams? Stream.
Stream, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Stream is nothing, just as a simple means data we want to perform in the byte stream. Okay, so this is the streaming concept.
Okay. How it
Means
is working? How
pipeline.
which are
This is working because of suppose in Java 8 we want to perform streaming, so they have terminal and non-terminal methods, we can say.
mm,
Terminals means beginning and ending methods is a terminal, and intermediate means beginning, between beginning and ending we are using as a non-terminal, means we can say as a filter map, flat map, or any other methods we can be
mhm.
used distinct, whatever we want to perform. So that between that methods are coming as a intermediated function or non-terminal operation method, we can say. And terminal, so stream what will do that? Stream we can apply in the collections only. Okay, collections means array list, linked list, or we can say a map, tree map, hash map. So
Mhm.
in this collection framework related classes we can implement through the streaming object. So streaming object basically make for the collection enhancement of the collection framework. So we can achieve the faster result. So here something has been enhances like that for loop using the for each. So many kind of things we can apply here.
Okay. So
And
what
stream is
is the
a stream have two types. One is a normal stream, another have a parallel stream.
Okay, what is difference between them?
Parallel stream means normal stream, parallel stream means this is the concept basically. Parallelly, we can perform two operation or single
Mm-hmm.
operation. So I not have much idea about these two things because of the I have just given you about the two scenarios means parallel and normal stream. So mostly I am using normal stream. I am not using the
Okay.
parallel stream.
Okay, so let's ask, there is a difference between what is the difference between two operations like the one is filter and another is map in streams, okay?
Yes, so map basically we want to map something. Map means suppose
Mm-hmm.
we want to concatenate or something, so we can use as a map. Suppose for example, I give one example. We have a
Hmm.
array. Here have a 10, 20, 21, 23, 41. Okay. Suppose this I want to filter out the data who is maintaining the 1. We found one thing, one value in the all. So I want to find out where included one element. So one element, so what we will do that array will convert into the array list and put the stream and go into the map. Map means p and predicate P plus as a blank quotation mark, and thereafter we can apply as a filter. Suppose we want to P inside the filter P and predicate
Okay,
P dot
what is the peak?
start with 1.
Okay,
P is a
do you know what
predicate.
is peak? Okay, P. Okay, so could you let me know how many types of predefined function interfaces in Java which are using day-to-day activities?
Predefined function
Functional interfaces which are using day-to-day activities.
functional interfaces we can say the comparator, runnable interface,
Okay.
and another one is have a
Hmm.
we say the clone
Okay, so no, I want to know, ask like interfaces which are like
function. You asking about the
yeah,
function,
function,
consumer,
supplier, consumer,
consumer,
predicate. I want to know the
predicate.
difference between them and which methods are inside them and in which condition which should I one use.
So function basically we have a apply method, you know the apply method. So
Mm-hmm.
apply we can use it through the function.
Mm-hmm.
So apply
Okay,
means
what?
we have some condition. Suppose we have written some condition. So that condition we can maintain into the function.
Mm-hmm.
Function reference, and that we can pass in filter or map whatever we where we want to use it, or we have a code, specific code we want to write and we want to
Mm-hmm.
apply the particular object, so we
Okay.
can use it. But mostly I am consumer, basically have little bit no have deep knowledge about that. So function
Mm-hmm.
mostly I have used.
Okay, okay, no issue. I have given you one online compiler, and you can either you can use a notepad. Later, if we need, we can use IDE. Okay, so please share me your screen and open this compiler on notepad, and I have give you a list of items.
Mm-hmm.
This is a list of items contains and some numbers. Some are duplicate numbers, and okay, please open, then I will explain you. And I need to do some operations over there. The operations are like counting of each item, okay, and finding duplicates. So some questions I have written here. So please resolve them using Java streams.
So, okay, I will resolve that. So, you first, if you can give the any question, I can, if I can verbally, I can explain it about this question, or if needed related to Eclipse, so I can do that, not a problem. So, I am just
Yes,
sharing
yes.
your screen. Okay, okay.
Yeah, please share me screen and write the logic how you will do. If I need to run it, we can use Eclipse then.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,